Guys, today we'll learn how we can use the select distinct statement in SQL. Okay, so let's use our database and so we can start working with it. Use my database, that is the name of our database. We'll use it, and then okay, the database has been changed. Now what we do, we can show the tables that we have in the database, right? Okay, we have these tables inside of the database. And then what we do now, we will use the select distinct statement to select only unique values from the table. We can say select like distinct country, okay, from customers table. Okay, it will return all the like distinct countries, like all the unique countries. What we can say, select countries. Let me show you. Select country from customers, right? And then you see it returns more than what should have been returned because we have Brazil 2 times, we have Portugal, we have, you see, we have USA, France, etc. So when you use the distinct, it will return only the unique values from a table, okay? But when you do not use the distinct, let's say if we just select the countries like that, it will return all the values with the duplicate, okay? So another thing that I want you to keep in mind is that we can also count the distinct values. We can say select, okay, count. Let me select them without the distinct, okay, so you can see what will be returned. We can say select count countries, okay. Let me say country from customers. Let's see. We have 90 countries from the table. Now we can say select, okay, count distinct, okay, country from customers. From customers. Let's see how many we have. 21 distinct countries, right? Right here, we have like 91 countries. These 91 countries, we have multiple duplicate countries. But like when we select distinct countries, we only return the unique values. Okay, this is what I want you to keep in mind. And we have only 21 distinct countries in the customer table. So today, this is one of the best thing you can learn regarding like SQL, so you can improve your SQL skills. If you are watching this video on YouTube, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're watching this video on Facebook, do not forget to follow us for more. Okay? Thank you. Ciao. Have an amazing day.